we come to question 5. Use set notation to describe the shaded region in the Venn diagram below. Use set notation to describe the shaded region in the Venn diagram below. Okay, so let's take time and study the diagram. So we have set A, which is partly shaded. We have set B, which is completely not shaded, and we have got set C, which is also fully not shaded or completely not shaded. Okay, so the question is for us to write a set notation that describes the shaded region. Okay, so what we can do is, as we look at the shaded part, which is set A, set A is shaded, and then we have got set B and set C, which is not shaded. So the set notation that can describe the shaded part is A intersection open bracket B union C complement. Okay, so I know some people are saying, sir, the answer is B union C complement. Okay, so this answer, the one that is I see majority of the students writing, is correct if there was no Venn diagram. Okay, there was no rectangle shape outside. Okay, but if there is a rectangle like this one, the universal set, if there is a universal set outside, there are elements that can be in universal set, then that means this answer is not correct. Okay, so in case in the universal set, in the rectangle area, there is a number, that means when you say B union C complement, that means that number, if we had 8 here, this 8 is also a member of B union C complement. So which means it can't state if you have 2 here, that means their answer is going to be 2, like that. So it will have 2 elements. Now, since we want just to describe that, that's why this one will be answer them. Okay, if you have got questions, I'm here to answer them. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and share with your friends. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one.